Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at ArthroFree B Venom, a cream that claims to be a natural joint therapy designed to relieve pain, reduce stiffness, and improve flexibility. The formula features B venom, honey, and essential oils, promising to relax sore muscles and absorb quickly without leaving you feeling like a greased pig. Sounds impressive, right? Or maybe it just sounds like you're rubbing a breakfast condiment on your knees and hoping for a miracle. Is it actually legit? Stay with me, because we're diving into the sticky truth. The first concern is that ArthroFree doesn't even have a dedicated official website. Instead, it's sold on various platforms with prices that fluctuate more than my mood on a Monday, making it nearly impossible to verify its authenticity. Then there are the medical claims. They say it treats everything from arthritis and gout to bunions and carpal tunnel. Honestly, if a single cream could medically heal bones and fix every joint issue known to man, doctors would be out of a job, and we'd all be out here winning marathons. It's a bold strategy to claim your lotion is a surgeon in a jar. To sound convincing, they throw around sciencey, words like melittin and phospholipase too, but they conveniently forget to provide any actual medical studies or approvals. It's the classic, if I use big words, they'll stop asking questions approach to marketing. Even better, the before and after photos they use appear to be shamelessly copied from the internet. Nothing screams trustworthy quite like using a stock photo of someone else's foot to prove your product works. They also claim it's suitable for 98% of orthopedic conditions, a statistic so exaggerated it's practically fan fiction. When it comes to user feedback, the reviews are a total mixed bag. While some call it a miracle, others report seeing zero change and complain that the jars are much smaller than expected, basically a travel-sized portion for a full-sized price. Looking at the big picture, this product raises more red flags than a parade in a thunderstorm. Between the lack of a website, the stolen images, and the wild medical claims, it's hard to see ArthroFree as a reliable solution. Unless you enjoy being overcharged for mystery goo, you might want to stick to proven treatments. Thanks for watching till the end.